It's more than a field trip. Visiting U of M Sparrow Hospital marks a major step in helping Lansing Technical High School students explore careers in healthcare.
We're bringing our health science students to get a tour of the hospital. So we've been working in partnership with Sparrow Hospitals to make this event happen.
The partnership is designed to expose students to the range of opportunities available in the medical field.
We are giving them opportunities to where they can interact with our team members, they can interact in our environment, interact with the work that we do, so they can hopefully one day after they're done come back here and work or work elsewhere within healthcare.
Students explored 6 areas from pharmacy to radiology, nursing assistants, and patient care technician roles.
These are things that you can do immediately after high school if you desire. And not only can you do it immediately after high school, you can also expand that program to college if you want to as well.
But it's not just about jobs. This partnership aims to inspire students to imagine a future in healthcare and help them understand what it takes to get there.
They're going to see that, how important it is. You're dealing with people's lives and about being professional, being on time, and just doing the things you need to do as a professional in these careers.
I really hope that they take the whole idea that the possibilities are endless. You really can do so much and build off of it. You're not stuck in one spot. Also, there's never a time that's too late or too early to start doing what you're passionate about and what you love to do.
And the impact isn't just on the students. It's a partnership both sides will hope to continue and grow from.
Really, I feel like our team members, they are getting to see what is to come. They have the opportunity to mentor. They have the opportunity to be re-inspired. Because some of them have been there for 30 years, which is great, but what a privilege to be re-inspired by somebody else.
With hands-on learning and mentoring through this partnership, these students are discovering that their future might just start at Sparrow.